Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. Name of this app is Money Maker Earn by Play Games. So let's look at some screenshots so we can learn a little bit about this app. So in 3 hours, cash out. So when you earn money, you'll be able to cash out in 3 hours. Play to win. So you're going to be playing games to win. Real cash. So you're going to get real cash, guys. No points or anything. You're going to get real cash. So right here just shows how it looks when you win. You'll be able to win daily. And you'll be able to play free. You don't have to spend any money to play. Now, let's just learn a little bit more. So I'm going to click right here where it says about this app. So it says here, Money Maker is 100% free to play to win real money app. No purchase or payment of any kind is necessary to enter or win any game. Redeem rewards. You can earn coins, cash by playing Money Maker, which may be redeemed against various gift cards, premium payment, or other rewards. Cash out. You are able to transfer your cash prize to your PayPal account. So guys, you need a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's very easy to sign up. You just go to paypal.com. Takes a few minutes and you're good to go. So here are the highlights of their games. Scratch out the real awards easily. If you're lucky enough, there's a huge chance that you can get a laptop computer and fashion brands for free. Wow guys, so not only can you win money on here, you can also win a free laptop and some clothes. So they have a scratch off game. They have a raffle game. So it says here, once you start playing, we track your active time in the game. Throughout the games, you will collect tickets that you can exchange with gift cards. So it says here, these sweepstakes are devised as a non-gambling promotions and are intended solely for entertainment purposes. Now let's just look at the rating right quick. So out of 5 stars, 4.4. Guys, that is an excellent app. Anything that's over 4 is a very good app. But this is almost close to 5.0 stars. So anything that's even remotely close to 5.0 is an excellent app, guys. Now let's just read one review here. So this person right here says, I think this lottery game is just right. It has ads, but not too many, and I think it's worth a look. It's also really fun, and I'm very addicted. I can easily earn extra cash here. It's really easy to be a cash player. So this person said it's easy to be a cash player on here. It's fun, not too many ads. So this person really liked this app, guys. Now that's all I'm gonna say about this app. I think you need to check this app out. It has good reviews, look like it's very fun to play, and you can earn some money really fast. So to get started, go to Google Play and look up Money Maker Earn by Play Games. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Alright guys, one other thing I just want to say. Please drop your comments. I'm going to start doing shout outs. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Please help this channel get to 9,000 subscribers so I can go ahead and give away some free money. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos if you want to learn how to make money just watching videos. Peace and have a prosperous day.